How to attach a zip file to Gmail. Hey guys, my name is Jules, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to attach a zip file when sending an email via Gmail. So let's jump into the video. So we are going to head over to Gmail and click on Compose. Head to the bottom of the message box and click on the paperclip looking icon labeled Attach File. Select your file and attach it to your email. If you are sending a large file over 25 megabytes, you still need to follow the same process and click on the Attach File icon. However, instead of directly attaching the file to your email, the file will be uploaded to your Google Drive and attached to your email as a Google Drive link. If you would like to see any Gmail related videos, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.